2024. I know it's this guy, right? Haven't posted anything in like a few months. It's been a little bit hectic, but today we're gonna be working on the Evo. We are missing a few people. They're upstairs. Let's go get them.
To clean it. Bro, he's racing.
I guess they're working on PC stuff. He's sleeping. Someone's over there. But we're doing that in the Evo. Well, eventually. If you guys don't know, this is an Evo 8.9. It's got some cool XXRs. They're not XXRs. Voltex front bumper, carbon hood, OEM wheel, shifter, wing, and Tomei in the back. But today's project is trying to get crisper shifts because this it's a little sloppy, and it, you know, that's pretty long. That's a long throw. We're gonna change that. Let's go. So as Ethan's killing his dog in the back out of love, we've got to remove, I think, this boost pipe right here to replace those shifter bushings. With this, you got a what now? You got a what now?
Hey, that.
Dude, get that new thing we bought.
What's the new thing?
You know gas went up to 274.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's fine. 85's fine. We'll pile, baby. You ain't never walking down your last one.
You got sharp hands, bud.
You need me to yank it?
You gonna yank that big pipe?
Yeah, I might need the double grip, you know. That shit is in there, buddy. Is that shit fucking welded on or what?
No, it's because it's boost. Has to be tight.
Big boost. Little boost. Little boost.
It is.
Bro, just cut the line.
He's gonna have to cut that line. The zip tie line, not the actual line. Just
No, the actual line.
Games.
Squid Games.
Juego de Squido.
What is that? Needle nose.
Needle nose.
Juego de Squido.
Someone grab me some needle nose.
No.
Thank you. Honestly, I think I know what I'm doing, but like,
Dude, you think you know what you're doing? I don't even know what we're doing. I'm just
we
know how to guess very well.
we got one of these Johnnies. Looks like this comes out.
Was that already one of the cables over there?
This is one of the linkages.
It's kind of hard to see everything.
Oh yeah.
But yeah,
Here's one right here.
it's okay.
That John.
It's okay.
How am I supposed to get that out?
With a good attitudes,
With
I
sheer
guess.
willpower.
Or we could just come back once we figure it out.
How the hell are you supposed to do? These are.
All right, cool. Shifter bushings out, but realistically, we kind of stuck a pick in there, and then that failed, and then
Kind of did this, and then he pulled up.
yeah. So he had that in there. I just grabbed the cable as he had it pushed down. I pulled this up, and the rest of it stayed behind. And now we're just gonna grab that new bushing.
And then you're just gonna push the linkage in. Brother.
Oh, you don't need to do that on this one.
Huh?
You don't need to do that on this one.
Oh. Well, this dude was asking how we were gonna do
You
it.
build it because it's just built from the outside.
Oh.
It's built from the outside, dude. That's too easy.
Because then it goes like this, snap in, and then
Guillermo.
Washer.
yes.
Don't forget the washer. No, there's still that washer too.
Oh yeah. And then it goes like we put it on this
Snap ring,
snap
washer,
ring,
and then cotter pin. Yep.
Let's get the other one off.
That's a harder one. It's in the back.
Well, I'm about to.
Boy, put some elbow grease into it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
From this side.
So normally, normal people, what they would do in this case is remove the hood. Maybe their expensive front bumper. But man's just literally
Sitting
just
on a freaking coil plug and it hurts.
coil plug.
Ignition coil.
Oh yeah, down there. I was gonna say you got your foot on the core support, and he's just getting back over here.
Ew, dude, my freaking fingers look busted.
Bro, cut that part out.
No.
All right, Sachin.
We'll be right back. Okay, so the other let's put this back this way. Yeah, so we just got it out, right? All you gotta do is just pop it out, right? It's not that hard.
No.
No. But it is. So the other, it might be a two-man job.
It is definitely a two-man job.
The other cable is back over here on this backside. And all we did is Kevin held the needle nose in on the bushing on the inside while we used this pry bar and kind of went in between the case and the line and just pried it out. And now we're just gonna put the new bushings in. You want help? You want help?
I'm gonna go with you.
You want help? I know you want help. Okay, back to work. Here, just do this top one. That way we can they can see.
The top one. I gotta do the bottom one first.
Oh, okay. So
Sorry, team.
let's just say this is the back one right here. Dang, they took both bushings. So as they're working on this big bottom one that goes on to the this side, well, at the back of the transmission on the back. Out here, just show you how it goes. This kind of slides in from underneath on the cable. Yeah, the cable. Drop this in. The C-clip kind of slides in onto that groove right there. Well, on there. Once that happens, then you just put this little clip right on through the hole, and you're pretty much, well, you are done. But you got to do it for the small one and big one. Okay.
When you put in the powder pen.
What did you say?
This one's a little bit easier to see. Well,
Sorry. Let me,
dog, you.
Bro, chill. I'm not cheeked up.
I'm not saying that, but my my hand's right here.
Oh,
buddy.
your hand?
Yeah.
oh my
How you
gosh,
doing?
I almost dropped the freaking snap rag.
Not bad.
This isn't even a snap rag. It's just a freaking
It's just C-clip.
C-clip. Am I him?
Are you in?
Yes.
Weren't you supposed to put in?
Weren't you supposed to weren't you supposed to?
Goddamn, freaking front bumper, bro. What? Can we just pull it off?
Dude, we're almost done. Sorry.
Okay, part two.
I delete that.
Nope. Part two. We're gonna try again. This time.
This time, we do it correctly, guys.
What's the accent for?
We do it correctly.
Well, just don't worry about the accent, okay? We love everybody here.
Oh my god.
Got something to say?
Not at all.
Okay.
I'm not him. Is it in all the way?
Tap it in.
Yeah.
What's that? El Cotter pin, Kevin.
Your brother.
Okay.
And that's how you put on your torque solution bushing, right?
Yeah.
Right? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, now you got to put your boost pipes and your air filter back on. Or are we doing that later?
I already did that.
All right. Just run it all back. If you removed it, you know how to put it back on.
Wilson.
110? 110? That's not 110, that's Jet Li. Okay. As we change that out, let's see if this, okay, it did, the play didn't change. The play didn't change. Winston, did it change? It didn't change, Winston. Anyways, now we just gotta move this, remove this, and install. Oh my God! Dear Dixon! Anyways, yo, why does that say Evo
456.
456? Was it because 789?
I think so.
789?
Yeah, 789.
789?
Park. Oh.
Open Joni up.
Let's see what this one.
Dude,
Yo,
this comes with 3 different style shift knobs.
Bro, I think this is level 1 and 2, 3 butt plugs.
But we haven't, wait, pause. We haven't unlocked level 4.
I was too poor to unlock level 4.
Damn. Oh, darn.
I think we got scammed.
It said it was in Japan, but why does it say it was made in China?
Dude, you're yelling.
I'm sorry.
Who wants a sticker?
You do. It's your car. Why would we put Evo stuff on our car?
Installation manual.
Just. Why do you go over there? Okay. Okay.
Dude, where should we put this?
You should probably get the digital one.
The digital one?
Dude, the digital one's kind of rock.
What digital one? Like
Yeah,
a sequential digital one?
No. So
Dude, they
make...
give you a red zip tie.
Oh, wow. But
Oh, dude, is this an air freshener?
Ah! Hey, quit yelling.
Sorry.
Quit yelling. Stop yelling.
Premium.
But yeah, no, this, you can get this like an LED screen. Is that
Yeah,
what you turn
what
on?
do you think I am? Freaking rich?
No, I think you're an engineer though.
This thing is already 700
No, bro, I think you're Asian.
bucks.
First off, can we talk about like how beautiful this is? Like, this is pretty amazing. It comes with 3 different shift knobs you can get. Oh, it feels better, but it's still.
Why?
Hey man, what are you doing?
We are taking out the glove. Oh, that's not a glove box.
It's not a glove box.
Center
Center
console.
Dude, it's nasty in there. What do you got in there?
Hey man. Don't look too hard.
I'm looking hard.
Stay hard.
Wait.
What kind of rag is that?
It's called a oil rag.
Yeah, it's looking
So-
a little stiff.
I mean, I hope so. It's a center console. I hope it's not floppy.
No, I was talking about the
Okay. Anyways,
rag.
so this has to come off, but yeah, we had to remove the center console, which was 2 screws back there, and then 2 screws with this, and sure, take your knob off. Pause. Is there another screw there? Oh, there's a 3rd screw.
the 2 grip is crazy.
Are these one right there? Is that not it? Is he? Oh, okay. That is crazy.
All right, I gotta put down the brake. We're stuck on.
We're gonna roll back.
No.
There's a connector right here. I tried to get, but I couldn't. Now we need what?
10, 12. 10, 12. Okay.
Hey, one second. Relax.
Yeah, I'm not him.
You're not him?
I'm not him.
Brock could have told you that.
Got 1 carpet out.
So I can reach. Oh, there's one little.
Oh,
Where's the gun?
right here. Move that out of the way. Hey, it's left-hand drive. He's built the code not to pull.
Jesus. Hey, cut this out the video.
And the shifter is out. It definitely went pretty easy. I mean, all you gotta do is just have another person in here that can, you know, have a little bit of strength. Pull this out out of these two right here.
What are you insinuating?
I'm just saying you're built to code because you're an engineer.
Yeah, bro, you're a paper pusher, bro.
I don't even code.
You built like one.
I don't even code.
Okay.
I don't even code.
Okay, well go get the nice one over there. Go get the nice
Where was
and pretty
that?
thing. Where was what?
I saw it like this.
Oh,
That's crazy to me. I think it's the red one over there.
he sat on it.
He sat on
He
it.
sat on it.
Yours. Are you trying to hold my hand? All right, you gonna.
Well, I was gonna say this right here.
Oh yeah.
This you kind of wanna.
Other
Wait.
way. Other way. Man, who's built the code now?
What are you insinuating?
Well,
It goes like this.
One hand's holding the phone.
It go like this. Okay.
I don't
Well,
know.
you-
I'm waiting. With, aren't you
Hold
gonna
up,
put it on?
I'll put it on. Okay, so now he's got that. He's got that on back there. We're just gonna put these bolts in.
Bushings.
If you don't have to put those bushings in. It'll just sit a little bit lower, but it's a good idea to put those bushings on so it doesn't feel like everything's rattling away.
Hey, how deep in debt are you? I think it's a valid question, right?
Dude, I mean, we should go check out your Accord.
Nah, I'm not that much in debt. This dude's in
Not
debt.
anymore.
This dude's in debt.
Dude, your KS broke how many times?
Multiple times. Yeah.
Okay, we're just not gonna talk about that.
The hardware.
The hardware failed.
The hardware was what?
What are you doing?
I'm gonna make sure it's tight.
Get the gun. Get the gun. Okay. Just gonna.
Oh, me.
You.
To me.
You know, we always.
Cross pattern. So that's one on. To put before you put that on, you gotta put that adjuster on here.
No, put this on first.
You gotta put this on first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guys, I don't like it when y'all argue.
I don't like when Winston starts yelling.
Yeah, Winston needs to get close.
But anyways,
We're good.
let's run it all the way down.
Yeah. We're gonna have to roll it down. It's the other way.
Clips in.
Oh wait, I forgot.
Oh yeah, he's got these little clips that you gotta pull out that he's trying to do by hand. Good luck with that. You wanna go grab the big now?
Yeah.
Do it again.
You got sharp hands, boy.
Never worked dang day in your life. I work 80 hours a gosh darn day. I had to keep it PG. They know what I'm talking about. At least I hope they do.
Do we have to use it?
I mean, YouTube wouldn't be happy.
I don't know. Bro.
Google wouldn't be happy.
I don't know, bro. I feel like they'd be a little bit more out of pocket sometimes.
See, now you just gotta adjust it a little bit up.
No, you don't pop this one in.
I think you gotta go down, buddy.
No.
One more turn in. Definitely tall.
Oh, you know, pop. Or do we do opposite? No.
What? Too tall. Turn it in one more. What?
Huh? This is centered. We're kind of looking at it.
Hmm? Dude, all I'm saying, best driver mod ever.
Y'all got that puppy in there?
Well, that puppy's back there.
I mean that puppy right
Oh,
there,
this
boy.
puppy
Yeah,
right here.
that puppy right there, boy.
What is it? Did you just die? What are you doing? What are you doing? Making noises.
Wait, I'm just feeling it out.
Pause.
Now we gotta cut this out, but I don't have a Dremel. Couldn't find it. Could not find it.
Well, let's just pop the ring off.
We already popped it off.
No, the whole entire center thing. Or does that come off separately?
I mean, it's like this whole thing. We just either notch it.
We could just cut it a little bit
just cut it with the.
and then file it down.
I don't know, whatever, I'll get in a bit. I'll get in a bit. Huh? Bro.
Is it not on the floor? He is full of thirst.
Whatever, I'll get in a bit. It's not that one on the floor, buddy. I'll get in a bit, just pull up, brother.
God, you're so funny.
The haha.
Yeah, bro, you literally sat on it the first time. Sorry,
Alright.
gay. That's how you ripped your pants.
So we're gonna radius this little area right here where he sharpied out, because we can go forward and backwards. It actually feels so nice, but we can't go left to right because this is touching that, and we're just trying to keep a cleaner look and still kind of have this here versus ovaling it all out. Keep a little tight little area. So when going back together, that bracket that we took off in the beginning that says left-hand drive, it doesn't go back on. Now that we've notched it, this sits in place eventually. Connector. There you go. Sits in place. Now you can go over first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and then reverse. Dude, this is nice. And now everything goes back together. 1-2 screw there, Don't forget your screw to put it right there. This just clips in place.
No screw there.
No screw there?
That not going back on?
Oh, it's because it's on the original one.
Yeah.
Okay, no screw there. And then just, you know, comb through all your dirty stuff. What are they doing there?
I don't know. Can I get that
It's
light?
chaos.
Can I get that light?
Yeah, good. Let me get that light. Oh.
Thoughts? Pretty short.
Sorry. Oh. These are the reason why there's gonna be COVID-19 in 2024. Oh. Nice.
Nice.
Bro, this thing chops.